I'm Inspector Paul Jones and I work for North Wales Police as a custody manager and offender management inspector. I think it was important for me to come today in order to share my views as a practitioner, particularly in relation to issues that we face in custody. The main points for me that I picked up was firstly the phrase legal highs that we're all using really gives out the wrong impression, and I think there's an urgent need for us to think up a new, more appropriate phrase because I just think it gives out completely the wrong impression. Also, what I picked up was that the knowledge that's prevalent at the moment is just really low in relation to these substances, and I think we need to raise awareness of it, but I think we need to be really careful in how we raise awareness of it, because many of the substances that people could take, it will not be against the law to do so, but it will be very dangerous. So I think we've just got to be really careful how we deliver that message.